That was lit. So in this video, we're in Da Nang and we're on our way to see the famous Dragon Bridge, aka the fire-breathing dragon of Vietnam. So guys, this is one of the top things to do in Da Nang, Vietnam, is to watch the Dragon Fire Show on the Dragon Bridge. It operates on Saturdays and Sundays. As you can tell, it's pretty lit out here. The atmosphere is very lively. There's a bunch of people dancing back there. A bunch of street food and stalls. It's hustling and bustling. But I'm here early to get a good seat, so it's not at the peak yet. But yeah guys, it's real lit out here and we're just waiting for the show to start. Also, this is just a really cool place to be in general. There's like a bunch of markets and stalls for food, and this place is just crowded with locals. I've only seen a grip of tourists. I don't know if it's low season or something, or if this is a local thing or a secret, but it probably won't be for long because this place is pretty cool. Have some fresh sugarcane juice. Delicious. Also, this place is just lit, literally. There's like lights everywhere. There's a lit up bridge on the opposite side of this bridge, and another bridge and a Ferris wheel on the other. And yeah, a lot of lights going on. It feels like it's a festival, but it's just a normal weekend because the show happens every Saturday and Sunday, so I expect that it's like this every weekend. And also our local cab driver told us that this is actually the low season and it usually gets super crowded here. But yeah, I feel like it's New Year's or something, but it's just a regular weekend. I guess that's how Vietnamese people do it out here in Da Nang. Free live dance shows.
Còn anh mà muốn ngủ thì sao em? Còn anh mà muốn ngủ thì cùng.
Vào đeo nước lên chị. So this is another viewing area of the Dragon Fire Show. It's to the left of the bridge, just an open area of space. There's no stalls or markets over here. But yeah, it's just a freer space. I can see a lot of people forming up right now. Yeah, this left side of the bridge. Another area watches the fire show, right on the bridge. You see it's pretty lit. I'm on the bridge right here and the dragon's right there. This bridge is packed. They even closed down the street of the bridge for this event.
계속 찍으면 되겠어요. 안 불러. 저걸 봐야 돼, 얼른.
됐어. 그만 찍어. 확인해봐. 아빠 진짜 물이 나오네.
레이저가 아니라 아빠 말이 맞았네.
와.
That was lit. This is mayhem right now. You guys won't believe what happened. I'm dry now, but as you can see, the street was wet. I was standing right under the dragon trying to get a shot for you guys, and after it was breathing fire, it started squirting out a bunch of water, which I had no idea it was gonna do. But right when it did that, my camera was out and it got wet, but it's all good. My camera still works. It was still lit, so I'm not mad. feel like it's New Year's or something, but this happens every weekend. This is the Dragon Bridge, guys. This is how it looks like in the daytime. Looks very nice and majestic. And this is the view of Da Nang in the daytime. One of the most beautiful cities I've seen. Another fun fact that a lot of people probably miss is that this is the Love Dragon Bridge. If you guys look closely on the dragon's eye, it's in the shape of a heart. And these are also dark yesterday, but these are actually heart-shaped lanterns in the form of a lamp. So yeah, take your girlfriend or boyfriend here, your husband or wife. It's the Love Bridge. And yeah, last night we saw a bunch of Vietnamese local couples here too, so I guess it's a thing to do out here. So that is it. Please like the video if you guys liked it. Comment if you guys have been to Dragon Bridge or want to go or know any other views to see the fire show from. And subscribe to the channel to see more adventures. See you guys in the next video.